So now Sally, you have to tell me what recipe are you going to make?
Aloo gobi.
Experience the warmth of a local family and join our delightful cooking classes in Shimla, hosted by Summit Safari, a locally owned travel company. Held at the charming Marigold Homestay, this hands-on experience allows you to learn to prepare traditional Indian recipes using basic Indian spices in a simple and enjoyable way. We all eat together to enjoy the delicious Indian food that we prepare together as a team during your private cooking classes in Shimla.
Rice pudding.
Okay,
Beans and potatoes. French beans and potatoes.
okay,
Aloo gobi.
okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
I remember the name. It's the
Bangan pitika,
Okay.
eggplant cooked with tomatoes and onions.
This looks like chickpeas.
That's the chickpea gravy.
From peeling and chopping the vegetables to learn the art of making Indian masala chai to crafting crispy vegetable fritters. From making dough to preparing the perfect Indian rotis, your cooking classes in Shimla offers a rich culinary journey. Learn to cook the Indian classic dishes like the potato and cauliflower as well as popular paneer recipes, making your experience both fun and flavorful. Not only you will learn the art of cooking authentic Indian homemade food, but you will also have the opportunity to interact with a warm and welcoming local family, making your cooking classes in Shimla a truly memorable tour.
So how your French bean taste now?
Delicious. Thank you. Very nice. Beautiful.
And do you think it is hot, spicy? So how it tastes now?
Very good. Smoky.
Smoky?
Yes.
So this is eggplant smoked and cooked. So Bangan pitika.